I gave you my heart.
Hey kids, it's your girl Cutie with another video. Today I'm recreating Beyonce's one of her outfits of Black is King. So I'm gonna recreate one of her outfits, which is the one that I have. You're gonna see in the next video where I'm gonna make it. I'm just gonna say it. I'm making sunglasses. I'm making the second pair of sunglasses that she had worn in her other outfits, which you're gonna see that after I post this video. I'll be recreating this one. If you guys can see that. I'll be creating that one. So I'm recreating this one of Beyonce's Black is King outfit. This is day 2 of me making outfits or recreating some parts of it. And now I'm just gonna go start and do my makeup. Face paint right here. It's from the Halloween store. I got the cream makeup. It's white. So like, yeah, this is kind of like my lead of things. And okay, now I'm gonna start by putting foundation on my face. Comment down below, guys, of which foundation or whatever makeup brand you guys like. For me, I definitely love Wet n Wild because that's my favorite. But I want to know what your guys' favorite, so leave a comment down below and tell me which part you like. Under my... Yeah, I did an awesome job on that part. Just need to fill in this one a little bit more. Oh, I love that. My eyebrow, it's just... Okay, now where's my mascara? Should I go with a blue one? Pink one. Blue, pink. Blue or pink. I'm gonna go with this one. My Mega Protein. A Wet n Wild mascara. And I'm just gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna probably go over this several times just to get it bigger. I like big eyelashes, but I like to use my natural eyelashes instead of my fake lashes because I can't do those. It's not that I can't do them, I just can't wear them because they just bar my eyes so bad. I'm like, I can't. So I just go in with my mascara and just go over it multiple times just to get the look I want. Oh, I got on my eyelids. It's okay. I'm just gonna go back over and put mascara. Not mascara. Eyeshadow over it. Well, the glasses are gonna cover my eyebrows, my eyes. So I don't know why I did that. Oh well, just in case I take them off, I want to look cute. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Oh yeah, now it's time for this. Dun, dun, dun. Now I'm gonna use this. Take a brush and just spread all over my. Oh, she also has on her ears. Good that I took my ears out. So I shouldn't do my lashes. I never really liked painting my face with makeup like this, like face paint. I like to once, but that was only small things. Like I can do small things on my face, but not things like this. It's like too much. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of more me with the glasses. Oh, look just like her. Oh, this is awesome! I love it. Well, that's it for this video, kitties. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part you like. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. Enjoy the cutie film, why not? And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And go check out the rest of our channels. Go check out my family channel that I'm on with my family. Go check out, it's called The New Family. And don't forget to check out their channels like AB Wolf Games, Saya Wolf. And don't forget to check out, what else? Don't forget to check out all of our social media where I'm going to be posting out all my lovely recreated Beyonce looks. So go over there and check out my channel, my Instagram, my Twitter, my TikTok. Yes, I got a TikTok. Go check that out. Go follow their TikToks and Instagrams, all their social media. I'll link all that down in the description box below. And if you want to see this look, go see the social media. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties! Beyonce is out. Beyonce is out.
I gave you my heart.